Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error can only concatenate str, not tuple, to str. The type error can only concatenate str, not tuple, to str. Error occurs when you try to concatenate a string and a tuple using the plus operator. Here's an example of the error and a solution to fix it. When you run this type of example, you will get this kind of error. Output: type error can only concatenate str, not tuple, to str. To fix this, we try example 2. Let's run this code. Here is the output. Output: my name is John and I am 30 years old. In example 1, we tried to concatenate a string and a tuple using the plus operator, which results in a type error. To fix the error, we need to convert the tuple to a string using the str function before concatenating it with the other strings, as shown in example 2.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.